This is a little magical mystery box with all the highlights of the novelties in there that are now available in the KIPP online catalog. Do you also remember back in the days when everyone had printed catalogs? Sometimes we were just looking through the catalog, not in search for something particular, but just to get inspired, just to see what's new and what is available, because only the things you saw and you have in mind you can work with on your daily basis. So you can do this with an online catalog too, because the KIPP webpage is made so great for just looking through. You can have all the product lines separated on each page, or you can have the news, the novelty products on one page, and just go through it and just take a look what's new and what's available and what you can use for your next project. So use the online catalog like you did with the paper one. It's worth it. Let's check out a little magical mystery box and see what kind of highlight we have inside. That's a Selvis joint with a snap-in pin. Selvis joints are not new. You know them and you can order them at the KIPP online catalog in stainless steel or steel with a right-handed thread or a left-handed thread, for example, up to a size of M20, so quite big. But this snap-in pin is something interesting because you just insert the pin and snap in the rest of the clamp to the cylindrical part of the joint and you're ready to use it. Let's check a little magical mystery box for the next novelty highlight, and that's something very cool. That's a hygienic design spacer. Hygienic design products are made to be used in the food industry, so they need to be easy to be cleaned and no food should be able to stick on it, or cleaning fluids as well. So those parts have a very nice finish, a very nice surface, and in this spacer here, for example, can be adjusted in his height, but there's no thread coming out of this place. It's a very smooth surface and it's a sealing. The machines in the food industry often needs to be modified because the product changes or the process changes and maybe some guiding rails needs to be adjusted, and then you have a spacer like this one, which is absolutely gorgeous and easy to clean. Let's check out the next novelty out of our little magical mystery box, and that's a plier wrench. But a special one because the adjustment works parallel, and also the moment you apply the force, the movement is parallel. So if you're working into a bathroom, you want to tighten up some chrome screws, for example, and you don't want to damage the surface. It's pretty hard with this one to damage anything, but if you want to be 100% sure, you can have some protective jaws that you can put over the tool, and right now you have a pretty smooth surface to work with. Let's check out what kind of novelty we have in our little magical mystery box, and that's an elevating caster with an integrated machine foot. That's a quite nice roll. It has a rubber surface, it's screwed in so you can easily change it, and it has a sealed bearing for the rotation, quite nice. But at the same time, if you press down this lever here, you can pull down a machine foot. You can adjust the height of the machine foot, and the best thing about it is if you mount that to your machine, this lever is not rotating with the wheel like a brake lever would do. It's always at the same side, and it has a ratio to it, so you don't have to pull up the whole weight of your machine. It has a ratio of 1 to 20. So it's very easy to pull even heavy machines up with this. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, whether it's about one of the products we took a look at today or any other novelty product at the KIPP online catalog, feel free to write a comment down below. I will read it, I will answer it, and see you next time.